Hi friends, I am Tarangini and today we are going to see how to make vegan curd. Let's get started. First, we need peanuts, 1 cup of peanuts. Soak 1 cup of peanut for 8 hours or overnight and drain the water out of the peanut and then grind it nicely. Grind it into a paste. Add 5 to 6 cups of water for 1 cup of peanut. Little by little you can add the water and make the groundnut into a fine paste, and you can filter it using a fine cloth and extract the milk out of the soaked and ground peanut. Then you generally get 5 to 6 cups of milk out of this 1 cup of groundnut. So now after getting the milk, you can just boil it using either the gas stove or the induction stove, and then bring it to a boil. It will again rise, and when it comes to the brim, you can just switch it off, and then you can cool it so that it comes to a warm temperature. And then when it is warm, like you can just to make it into a curd, like you can add 2 to 3 chilies. You can break it and then put it into the warm milk, and then you can just keep it aside for around 7-8 hours. So after that, you can see that the nice thick curd is set. That is, the taste is really delicious, and you can use it with rice, idli, dosa, and even for making raitas and any curd based recipes. You can use this one at our home. We call it as vegan and yogurt. So we call it as vegan, and we just love it, and you can try it and enjoy.